Hello YouTube, thanks for joining us today's DIY.
So it's leaking up there, all the way down there.
So the wife says that our shower head at one of our washrooms has a major leak. And as you can see, she was right. She even tried taping up the hose. So off I go to one of my favorite stores, Canadian Tire. I saw through their weekly flyer there's a special on for that shower head. Peerless Massage Hand Shower. It says it has 6 settings with a 60-inch flexible hose. So the shower head says it has full spray, drenching mist spray, full spray with drenching mist, massage spray, full spray with massage, and high efficiency spray. With easy installation saves time and frustration. No tools needed to install. Universal fit mounts to any standard shower arm. With touch clean, rubber spray holes for easy removal of calcium and lime buildup. So let's start this little project by taking off the old shower head. Now we simply attach the new head and hose together.
Our head and our hose.
Install the other end of your hose to the adapter. Adjust your adapter up or down to get room for your shower head. And just give a couple days for the hose to relax and straighten itself out. So let's turn on the water and check for any leaks. And check it out, the wife even gives it a thumbs up.
Buc-ee's.
That's right, Buc-ee's, our favorite gas station off I-75 on the way to Florida. You can also check out some of our van life adventures with our new 2022 Ford Transit conversion van. So if you guys liked my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.